Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've created this look for you guys today. I've used the palette, a Morphe palette, which is a collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. And if you are in the makeup community, if you don't know about Jaclyn Hill, then I don't know what you're doing. So Jaclyn Hill is a makeup artist. I have been following her for a very long time. She started off like an average makeup artist, and then now she is like a business tycoon in a makeup world. And since when she came out with her palette with Morphe, I really wanted to grab it. And I have this palette since the time that it came out, and also this is my favorite palette. Whenever I travel, I like to take this palette because if you see the color, it has everything. So you will see the palette in a bit. And before I start off, I just wanted to mention that please support your girl and go and hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like and comment. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into our video. So this is how the palette looks like, and if you turn it back, you can see all the color and its name listed. I'm just gonna go in with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. So let me quickly apply it all over my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take my flat concealer brush and then just start applying all over my eyelid. To set the base, I'm just gonna go in with this color right there, which is called Beam. So I'm just gonna use that color and set my whole base with the same brush. Oh my god, look at that color. It's beaming. And also I'm going to apply it right in my brow bone area where I want that highlight. After that, for the transition shade, I'm just gonna go into this color, which is Creamsicle. So I'm just gonna take that and start right going in my crease area. Next, I'm going to take this color, which is right beside the Creamsicle, which is called Butter. And then I'm just going to take the same brush, just dip it in, and then start applying on the outer corner first. Now, guess what? I'm going to go into this color, which is lovely turquoise color, which is called Jada, J-A-D-A. How do you pronounce this? Jada. So I'm just gonna take the same brush again, and then I'm just gonna dab it in some. I'm just gonna dab it in some, and then start applying right in the inner corner and then outer corner. I want to create something like a halo eye look, so I'm just gonna go in first in the outer corner. This color are really pigmented, so make sure that you are going in with a very light hand first and then start building it up. I'm just packing on the color first slowly, and then just tapping it in. As you can see, the color is very pigmented, and then slowly start blending and building up the color. You're going to take that color towards the inner corner as well, and again slowly build it up and then start blending in. And then just whatever is left in the brush, just take it in the center of your eye, center of your crease, and then start blending it very lightly. Then I'm just gonna go in with my clean blending brush, which is MAC 217, and then start blending that outer crease. So that I'm just blending in two colors together and make it look more blended instead of having that harsh line. To add in a little bit of darkness, I'm just gonna go in with this blue color here, which is called Twerk. That's a lovely name. And then I'm just gonna take it lightly in my brush and then just dab in on the outer corner. And then again, I'm going to take that color in the inner corner as well. And just darken the edges. So after blending that two color together, it's going to look something like that. So I'm just going to take my concealer, which is Tarte Shape Tape in medium. And I'm just gonna take my palette first and just put some in there. And then I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush, which is flat brush like that. And I'm just gonna take that color in there. Start putting the concealer right in the center. Like so. I just like to go back and just look straight so that I can know where my crease is, and then start applying the concealer right to the point where I want my crease to be. Okay, it's gonna look something like this. I know it's looking crazy right now, trust me, it will look good. And I'm just going to take this color, which is lovely color called Pool Party, and then start applying right on top of the concealer that we just applied. So I might just spray it with the Fix Plus first, just to get that color more in my eyes. So I'm just going to start applying right on top of the concealer we applied. As you can see that I'm packing on so much of color and even the glitter color, and you can see that there is not a single fallout on my face, so which means that this eyeshadow is really good quality. So I'm just gonna start blending this color all together, and then just going to put on some eyeliner. I'm gonna go into my obviously Maybelline gel eyeliner. So next up, as you can already see that I've got some glittery line on my eyes, and it's really easy. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy, looks like that, and it is a liner with glitter, so it's really easy to apply it right under need or wherever you want it. So I'm just going to use this and then start applying it right on the top of that halo that we just created, so that it's just going to give that pop-up color in the eyes. So it's going to end up looking something like this. Let me just get close to you and show you how it looks like. So I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line, and I'm going to take the same color obviously. So first off, I'm going to start off by using the transition color right in the lower lash line. And then next I'm going to go into that turquoise color and then apply it right in the outer corner. and also in the inner corner as well. And then I'm gonna go into that blue color and then darken the color a bit. I'm gonna go into that shimmery color and then apply it right in the middle section. So to finish off the whole look, I'm just gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna take obviously my Lily lashes, which is my mink, looks like that. This is my favorite lash, so I'm just gonna go off camera and then apply lash and come back to you guys. Alright guys, that's it for this eye makeup look, and then I'm just gonna show you one of the Morphe palette, highlight palette that just came in, which is a Morphe collaboration with Bretman Rock. I think I've shown this in my Instagram and so many of you wanted to look how it looks like. So when you open it, okay, that just fell off. It looks like that. Oh, and also it comes with a brush. So I'm just gonna take this color Vacation and then start applying it right in the high point of my face, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Did you see that? Oh my god, in love with this palette. God, maybe I went a little bit overboard with that, but just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. So that's Vacation. There are other colors as well. So yeah, just finishing off this look. So let me just do that on the other side as well. Alright guys, that's it for this makeup look, and I hope that you guys like this look. I know it's not like everyday kind of look, but I really wanted to create something different, and I really wanted to use this palette as well, because it's such a lovely palette, and also it is quite affordable. So like I said, if you wanna start off on your makeup journey, make sure to get Morphe palette, and especially this one, the one with Jaclyn Hill, and look at that lovely color. So yeah, that's Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. So that's about it. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.